So hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my kitchen reveal. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've done this holiday season, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are chair covers that I picked up from Amazon. I also picked up this tablecloth, and it is from the Christmas tree store. Now to style my table, I'm going to be going in with this turntable that I picked up from HomeGoods. I love using this on my kitchen table. These are really inexpensive placemats that I picked up last year at Hobby Lobby. In the center of my turntable, I'm going to be placing this hurricane vase. Now I'm going to be styling my vase with some of these vase fillers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and they're in a snowflake pattern. This is a Dollar Tree DIY charger that I created maybe about a year ago, and I'm going to be using it now. These pretty blue plates are just from Dollar Tree. Now to finish off the look, I'm just going to go in with these napkins that I already had, as well as these napkin holders that I picked up a few years ago, and they're from HomeGoods. So now it's just time to style my coffee bar, and I'm going to be using these large apothecary jars. A quick tip to glam up your coffee bar is to use food items that match your color scheme. I'm going to be using these beautiful blue chocolate truffles, as well as some blue candy canes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using these beautiful cocoa stirrers that I found at HomeGoods. Now these were a little bit pricey, but they were so cute I couldn't resist them. I found this coffee at Aldi's, and it's delicious. I found these really yummy looking syrups at my local grocery store. Now I didn't like that the label has this yellow backing on it, so I'm going to cover that up with just some construction paper and some blue ribbon. Since this is wired ribbon, all I need to do to create a bow is just simply bend the ribbon backwards, and it holds the shape perfectly. I'm going to be using this gray placemat to hold all of my apothecary jars so they look more neat and put together in the space. And so here's how it turned out. You guys, this is a really simple and inexpensive way to dress up your kitchen for the holiday season. Because I use apothecary jars in my coffee bar area, I'm going to fill this apothecary jar with some Christmas balls that I already had. I also picked up these large Christmas balls from the Dollar Tree store, and all I'm going to do is fill them with blue glitter. up these beautiful Christmas towels last year after the season at Home Goods. I'll also be using this beautiful blue set here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as the white ones here that I've had for a few years. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.